Let's make pumpkin loaf with Proof's Rouge de Bordeaux flour. This is a stone milled flour with great flavor and texture. These are pumpkin spiced and anything but basic. Look at that drizzly icing on top. Let's start with our dry ingredients. 240 grams of Rouge de Bordeaux flour, 1 teaspoon baking soda, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a quarter teaspoon ground nutmeg, a quarter teaspoon ground ginger, a quarter teaspoon ground cloves, or use 2 teaspoons of pumpkin spice, half teaspoon of salt, and whisk all that together. For the wet ingredients, mix 240 grams pure pumpkin puree. Be sure to not use pie mix. 113 grams melted but slightly cooled butter, 110 grams of brown sugar, 85 grams of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 2 eggs, and 113 grams of sour cream. Whisk until it's smooth. Fold wet ingredients into dry ingredients until it's just combined. Pour into your prepared 9 by 5 inch loaf pan. I like to smooth the top. Your oven needs to be preheated to 350 degrees. Bake it for 45 to 55 minutes. You're probably going to need to tent it with foil if the top is turning brown too quickly. Let it cool in the pan for 15 minutes and then transfer it to a wire rack to cool completely. You can top it with vanilla icing. It makes it so good. The vanilla icing is for a little extra sweetness. I added pumpkin spice to the top of mine, but you can add cinnamon if you want to. This pumpkin bread is moist, delicious, and very flavorful. Be sure to cut some thick slices. It's full of fall flavors. You can really taste that combination of warm spices. And with the vanilla icing on top, you won't be disappointed. This recipe is super quick and it has very simple ingredients. These look so delicious. Look at the moisture in that bread. You can never have too much icing, in my opinion.